Are you tired of Windows 11 throwing annoying ads, pop-ups, and recommendations at you every time you use your PC? You are not alone. Microsoft has quietly hidden several ad tracking features inside Windows that monitor your habits to push unwanted promotions. Today, I'm going to show you 4 simple settings to turn off all ads and tracking permanently. Let's get right into it. First, let's cut off the tracking right at the source. Click your Start menu and open Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security and then go to General. You're going to see several toggles here. You want to turn every single one of these off. The most important one is Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. Turning this off completely stops Microsoft from tracking your behavior and building an advertising profile on you. Next, let's clean up your lock screen. On the left menu, click on Personalization and then select Lock Screen. If your background is set to Windows Spotlight, change it to Picture. Once you do that, uncheck the box that says Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen. Do not be fooled. Fun Facts is just Microsoft's secret code word for ads. Also, make sure to set your lock screen status to None, because widgets like weather and more can also sneak in unwanted promotional content. For our third step, let's stop those annoying pop-up notifications. Go back to the left menu, select System, and then click on Notifications. Scroll down to the app list and turn off notifications for any specific apps you don't need bothering you, like promo-heavy software or things that constantly beg for your attention. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom and click to expand Additional Settings. Uncheck all the boxes here, especially Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. These are basically built-in Microsoft ads that constantly run in the background, so turning them off saves your system resources and keeps your screen ad-free. Finally, let's get rid of those sneaky ads that show up right inside your own folders. Open up File Explorer. Click the 3 little dots at the top menu and select Options. In the window that pops up, go to the View tab. Scroll down in the Advanced Settings list until you find Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck this box, click Apply, and hit OK. This completely blocks Microsoft from advertising their services, like OneDrive subscriptions, directly inside your file manager. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 PC is now completely ad-free, way more private, and because we disabled all that background tracking, it will even run faster. If this video helped you out, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and thank you so much for watching.